In an effort to make more vegetarian meals when I'm camping, I had to think about what are all the meat dishes that we really love on a campsite or on the barbecue. And I've tried to come up with ways that I can create an equivalent using veg as the main ingredient. Now, pulled pork is a real family favourite for us, and I've come up with a recipe which I think is just as good. It's got all that lovely kind of texture in the mouth, the shredded, the gooey barbecue flavours. And the main ingredient is sweet potato. So I'm going to make some pulled sweet potato wraps, sort of Tex-Mex style. So I've got 2 sweet potatoes here, about 500 grams, I suppose, maybe a little bit more, some red onion and 3 cloves of garlic. And I'm going to fry that all together. I'm using my little Cadac Safari Chef because it's a whole 1-pan meal. Add a little bit of olive oil into the pan. I'm going to put the red onion and the garlic and the sweet potato all in together and cook it nice and slowly. While that cooks away, I'm going to make a very quick barbecue sauce. Good old Tommy K. About 6 tablespoons of that. I've got maple syrup, a bit of soy sauce there, so you've got some sweet, some salt. It's about a tablespoon's worth of that. A couple of teaspoons of brown sugar. You want a bit of acid as well, so I've got some lime there. Lemon will do as well. And then lots of salt and pepper. If you want like a smoky barbecue sauce, then add some paprika as well. So I've got this smoked paprika, hot smoked paprika. Be generous and then give it a good mix. A little bit of vinegar, actually, just to add a little bit of sharpness. Right, and I'll use that shortly. I'm going to add in my barbecue sauce and then let it cook down a little bit more. And let that cook for a little while, maybe about 5 minutes. Wow, looks delicious. That's probably only about 10 minutes. It's all cooked down. That barbecue sauce has been absorbed. And I think that's done. So I'm gonna pop the paella dish there. Now I'm going to serve them in these crunchy tacos and I'm going to warm them up. So I've just got the little flat surface there. I've got the lid, and just like you're doing in an oven at home, I'm just going to pop that on about a minute and they'll be warm enough. I've got some sweet corn, I've got some homemade coleslaw there. Load them up nicely like this. There we go. Maybe a little bit of pepper for a pop of colour. That is a very cheap and easy dish to make. There's my pulled sweet potato Mexican style.